welcome to our home. Today we're going to do a little bit of dishes, tackle the baby's laundry, and then we're going to vacuum and mop the floor. I'm not going to be using the Swiffer Wet Jet this time. I'm going to be using my actual O-Cedar mop, so it's very exciting. Why don't you come on and join me? Go ahead and make yourself some water, stay hydrated, and we're going to get started with some dishes. We put our dishes in the sink, and then we'll put them all into the dishwasher all in one big go. I guess we could always just put it in the dishwasher in the first place, but who has the time? Use any special settings on your dishwasher? Because I just wash everything on normal wash every time. I definitely need to read the manual, but the dishwasher came with the house, so we don't have it, and I don't really know what to Google, but we'll figure it out. Next we're going to move on to laundry. I just dumped the baby's laundry in there and used my Pure C detergent. My washing machine's looking a little rough, but stay tuned. For Monday's announcement, you know that I'm starting a Adulting 101 How to Clean series, and the washer and dryer is going to be one of the videos. So that'll be coming up real soon. I could almost just sit and watch the washer go all day and just zone out. It's very relaxing. But that's not what we're here for, so let's start vacuuming. My mom and dad and husband have been doing a lot of yard work lately, so stuff gets tracked in all the time. But it is a very small price to pay for how good our yard looks right now. Here I am trying to pick up the chip in the tile. Obviously that's not going to happen. One day I was making homemade pasta and dropped the little KitchenAid pasta attachment on the floor, and now there's a chip. But it's okay. This home is lived in. There's going to be things like that. Now when I look at it, I can remember the fun time we had making and eating that pasta. Halfway done. Hopefully you're up and cleaning with me, because it's a lot more fun to clean with a friend. Both of my toddler's bikes are exactly in the way, so I'm gonna go put those up somewhere. And then keep on keeping on. Now that the vacuum is done, time to switch the laundry over from the washer to the dryer. And then we're going to dump our big load of laundry into the washer. Next we're going to fill up the mop bucket. I like to use the lemon pine sol. We can't use the actual scented pine sol because of allergies in our house, but that's okay with me because lemon is my favorite. Something about it just smells so clean. The mixture is 2 ounces or 1/4 cup of pine sol to 1 gallon of water. So I'm going to pour in the pine sol and then fill it up the rest of the way with water. I turned the water on a little too fast and it started to bubble more than I wanted it to, so I turned it down a little bit and then found a happy medium. I put a little mark on the side here. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see it behind the bubbles to show me where 1 gallon is. And then I remarked it because it's been a while since I put it there and it's faded over time. But a Sharpie does a pretty good job of marking where I want to fill to. I love this mop. It's really cool and it's also kind of like a workout at the same time. But it's also not hard to use, so it's a good happy medium. I dip the brush into the clean water side and then just hold it up a little bit to let some of the water pour off first. And then I'll spin it 2 or 3, maybe 5 times, depending on how long I waited to let water run off. That way the bucket is not just full of a whole bunch of clean water that I've wasted. Plus, it makes the pour out at the end a lot more satisfying because the dirty water is not polluted with all that extra clean water. Definitely stay tuned for that because that is my favorite part about watching people mop their own floors. This particular O-Cedar mop is the Easy Ring Rinse Clean mop, and it comes with 1 mop head, but I ordered another set and that actually came in the mail today. I'm super excited. But you can just wash them in the washer and reuse them over and over and over again. But I just wanted some extra in case I didn't have time to wash one but I needed to mop again. That way I always have a clean one. Alrighty, so we're halfway done with mopping the floor, and I'm going to go ahead and take this time to ask that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss the Adulting 101 series that I have coming up on how to clean a bunch of stuff around your house, and so you can get that fresh dose of motivation every week and clean with me.
You give me all that you got.
Can you spot those 2 places I missed? Oops. Oh well, we'll just get him next time. Alright, now the mopping's done, and it is the most satisfying part of the whole process. Dumping it all out. I'm gonna dump out what's left of my clean water first. There wasn't too much left in there. While some of that cleaning solution had splashed on the toilet, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that down. And then the moment you've all been waiting for. Except I made the toilet flush, so you didn't actually get to see it, but maybe next time. And the baby's clothes are done, so we're going to take all that out of the dryer and clean the lint trap and switch our laundry over from the washer to the dryer. And now to go to his room and put up all of his clothes. I like to take everything out and put them in a pile, so I put shirts in a pile, and then I put shorts and things that need to be folded in another pile, and then his pajamas in a third pile. And there he is, being super helpful and putting everything back in the hamper that I just took out. And there he is trying to put all his pajamas away, but his father won't let him. How mean. He thought it was hilarious though. I love how kids can make everything into a game, and honestly we need to learn to do that more often. If you're curious about how I organized his nursery, I have a video up about it. I'm going to link that in the cards above right here, so you can go and watch that after you watch this video. But if you want to keep watching this video to the end, you can do that too, and I'll just put the link down in the description so you can find it. Oh, hi baby. Now that all his laundry is put away, I'm going to set out his pajamas for tonight and refill his diaper caddy on top of his dresser. He's obsessed with closing doors and turning off lights, and it is the most useful thing in the whole world. Everybody comment down below and say hi to his new friend, Bus the cow. I know, it's cute. And we're done. For more cleaning motivation, click the video on the left, and for a lot more cleaning motivation, click the playlist on the right. Bye!